The TMC is in no mood to spare Solicitor General Tushar Mehta over his alleged meet with Shivendu Adhikari on 1st of July. TMC MPs Mahua Moitra and Sukhendu Sekhar Roy are currently meeting President Ramnath Kovind to complain about Tushar Mehta after writing to the Prime Minister seeking his removal. Hitting out at Solicitor General, Mamta's nephew Abhishek Banerjee has said that SG has failed to release the CCTV footage of his house to corroborate his own statement that he did not meet Shivendu. Abhishek even called him BJP's secret general and not Solicitor General. On Friday, TMC MPs Derek O'Brien, Mahua Moitra and Sukhendu Sekhar Roy even wrote a letter to the Prime Minister seeking Tushar Mehta's removal, alleging that his meeting with Shivendu is an attempt to influence the Narada scam probe.
नहीं, गवर्नर को हटाने के लिए बहुत कुछ कर लिया वो लोग। अभी सॉलिसिटर जनरल के पीछे पड़े हैं। इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। अब कोई इशू नहीं उनके सामने, चारों तरफ से संकट से घिरे हुए हैं। उनके नेता पकड़े जा रहे हैं फर्जी केस में और कानून व्यवस्था टूट चुकी है। हिंसा चरम पर है यहाँ और ना तो यस तूफान को संभाल पाए ना तो कोविड को संभाल पाए। अब लोगों को भ्रमित करने के लिए इस प्रकार सारा इशू को आमदनी किया जा रहा है।
शुभेंदु अधिकारी सॉलिसिटर जनरल से नहीं मिले हैं। दूसरी बात है कि कोई भी राष्ट्रपति से मिल सकता है। हम लोग भी 18 एमपी 18 और 2-3 एमपी और जो 21 एमपी हम लोग भी मिलने वाले हैं। सब राजनीतिक गिमिक है, अपना लज्जा बचाने के लिए कि बंगाल में जिस तरह से महिलाओं का बलात्कार कर रहे हैं, रेप कर रहे हैं, घर लूटे जा रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को मारा जा रहा है, तब इससे अपना चेहरा बचाने के लिए सब नौटंकी है और कुछ नहीं है।
So after Shivendu allegedly met Tushar Mehta, reporters questioned him about his meet, to which he refused to say anything. Listen into what he had said.
सर, आपने तुषार मेहता से भी मुलाकात की है, जो सॉलिसिटर जनरल?
नहीं, मैं इसमें कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूँ।
सर, आपने तुषार मेहता से भी मुलाकात की है, जो सॉलिसिटर जनरल?
नहीं, मैं इसमें कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूँ।
Ashutosh Mishra is reporting from Delhi, bringing us up to speed with the very latest on this story. Ashutosh, looks like the Trinamool Congress is in no mood to spare Tushar Mehta, so much so that they want his removal at the moment.
So, well, the TMC delegation met the president, and that is seeking removal of the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. So, in a minute, the TMC delegation, the Sukhendu Sekhar Moito, who met the president, will be addressing media shortly. But yes, indeed, the meeting, the so-called meeting between the Solicitor General and Shivendu Adhikari, who's also one of the accused in the scam, which is being probed by the central agency. So that is clearly what we know, what the trigger point. And now that's why the allegation is coming on the Solicitor General, that how could he meet who's, any person who's one of the prime accused in a case. And clearly now, after writing to the Prime Minister, when you heard the TMC has been mounting a pressure on the central government, they're also meeting the President, seeking the removal of the Solicitor General. So what was in the meeting, what they exactly said, the content will be out in a minute when the press conference will be addressed. But for now, the kind of war we are seeing between the centre and the West Bengal government, the BJP and the TMC, this so-called meeting, though the Solicitor General had refused that there was no such meeting, Shivendu Adhikari came, but he could not meet him because he was busy in a meeting and later he returned. But was that really a case? And that is where the TMC is putting a question mark and seeking the removal of Tushar Mehta, citing also, because there are also what the opposition parties are saying directly, that years back during the UPA tour, when the then Law Minister Ashwini Kumar sought a affidavit to see the review affidavit what was to be filed in a particular case in the Supreme Court, and that created a kind of uproar that led to the resignation of the then Law Minister. So clearly, the TMC is not going to be on back foot and mounting pressure on the central government, including now, meeting the President and giving him the memorandum seeking removal of the Solicitor General. Back to you.
Absolutely. Let's now understand the whole matter better. Given TMC has demanded Tushar Mehta's removal, Shivendu visited Solicitor General on 1st of July. The TMC objected to Shivendu SG meeting, of course. Tushar Mehta represents CBI in the Sarada and Narada case. TMC accused Solicitor General of impropriety. The TMC said Shivendu accused in Sharda and Narada case and wrote to Prime Minister Modi seeking the removal of Tushar Mehta. Tushar Mehta, of course, denied the meeting with Shivendu Adhikari. The SG, which is Tushar Mehta, said Shivendu came to his residence but did not meet him. The TMC MPs are now going to be meeting the President seeking the Solicitor General of India's removal.